So talk about a big rebound for Palantir stock, guys. I mean, this thing was battling at $60. It feels like just a couple of days ago. And now as of Friday, we're back over $71 per share. So we have to cover the charts, do an update here on what we're looking like right now and where we could be going in the short term heading into this week. And by the way, tomorrow, Monday, the stock market's closed, so we do have a shorter week here, a 4-day week, but still, we have to cover the charts, break down the game plan, so hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe. And guys, come on, get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account, deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, guys. No-brainer deal. And to make it better, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Get your free stocks. And with that being said, let's get into it. So, take a look here. Palantir on Friday, guys, went up over 3.6% on the day. And I believe I did do an update on Friday. I think it was more towards the beginning of the day. And man, we rocketed in the second half of the day. This was quite the performance, right? Palantir was at about $71 at 1 p.m. on Friday, and we ripped for the rest of the day. I mean, look, we went from 71 all the way to almost the mid-72s. Then we cooled off a bit into closing a bit under $72 per share. And guys, we have been running the last couple of days. I mean, to start last week, Palantir was in the low mid 60s. It looks like more in the mid 60s at $65 pretty much. And we rallied about 10% last week, about $6-7 per share. So clearly, we're starting to get momentum. The bulls are starting to gear back up here, guys, and we're starting to reverse. You guys see it here on the 30-minute chart. We have a golden cross. We're breaking above both moving averages. And listen, we have an inverse head and shoulders. Do you guys see this? These are all signs of a reversal in store right now. Or, it's literally happening, right? We have the left shoulder here, the head, the right shoulder's right here again. We have that golden cross. We keep making higher highs, higher lows in the very short term here. These are good signs, right? And on the 1-hour chart, let me pull this up here, guys. We also have a golden cross, and we're breaking above both moving averages for the first time since the end of December. So we're talking, about 3 weeks at this point? It's been since we've been above both moving averages here on the 1-hour chart. That's a good sign. The fact that we're starting to break out of there, guys. Maybe a bigger reversal is coming in the short term. That's what that signals, right? And here on the 4-hour time frame, let me zoom in and show you guys this. By the way, earnings are scheduled, I think, on the 3rd. We've talked about this before, but let me see here again quickly, guys. The 3rd of February after the bell, we're getting earnings out of PLTR, and we're heading in the right direction. Let's take a look at this. Look at this here, guys. Are you noticing where we're breaking above as of Friday? $70.50 to about $71, which we've covered before. That was support all throughout pretty much December, heading into the early days of January. Then we broke through it. Then it became resistance, obviously. Now we're back above it. This is massive overall for the bulls. Now that we're gaining momentum back over 70, 71. We broke over 72 on Friday. Now we could be playing in this window, man. That's what I'm thinking. And with earnings coming up, the stock being the way it is, it's one of those stocks that catches fire fast. It's kind of, there's hype that builds up with this stock. So I think we could see a rally into earnings. No doubt. I think we could. And the way Tuesday plays out is going to be a big indicator if we're going to get that rally this week coming up or, if we dump off, right? Because Tuesday, it's going to be big. Monday, markets closed. Obviously, It's Martin Luther King Jr. Day, but we're also getting Trump being inaugurated, right? Coming into office. That's massive, right? We're getting a new president in the United States. Big day for the country, right? So we'll see how the market reacts on Tuesday overall. If we get a big green day, guys, Palantir sees a huge gap up above this 180 SMA here, right above, let's say, 72.50, 73, 73.50. If we're able to start breaking out of there Tuesday, Wednesday, whatever day it is, but ideally Tuesday, right? If we're able to get out of there, this could then really build up to the $80 range fast, in my opinion. I think it could get there pretty fast. Momentum could, we could have a easily 5% green day, 10% green day, right? Who knows? I mean, it's not guaranteed. It's not for sure going to happen, but that's the type of momentum we could get if we get a crazy green week next week overall in the stock market. Or maybe we got to sell the news event when Trump comes into office and the market just tanks. I mean, who knows, right? I mean, that could happen too. But either way, signs right now, the signs we're seeing are looking pretty good for the bulls. We're, breaking back over 70. That's huge. If we closed at 68 last week, we didn't break over 70, I wouldn't be as thrilled here. But we did. We broke over, forget 70, 71 and 72 we broke over. So it's looking pretty good. Guys, I want to know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And for me, I'm in this as a long-term play. You guys know that. But I also trade, right? So if I see an opportunity, if we start to get ideally, like I said before, I want to get the gap up on Tuesday. If we do get that momentum, let's say we start pushing 72, 73 again, I'm going to hop in on this. I think it could be a nice swing trade. But for now, I'm in it as a long-term investment. My average is around $21 a share. And I'd love to know what you guys are doing. Let me know in the comments. And make sure to sign up to the email list. I'm not sure if you guys knew, but every week I send out my top 3 stocks right to your email for free. All you guys have to do is use that link down below, put your first name down, and your email, and boom, you're signed up. It's free, just like that. It takes literally 15 seconds. I mean, it's that easy, right? So make sure you guys do that, and I'm pumped. It's going to be a big week coming up, man, not just for Palantir, but again, for the entire stock market, and we're in an interesting spot. S&P is starting to break out here. I'm thinking we break 600. If that happens, we could go to all-time highs again. Momentum's building up on QQQ as well, right? We're about to break out of a key spot. My alert's at 525. That's roughly the highs from earlier this year, 2025, guys, earlier in January. If that breaks, we could get a run, massive run on QQQ. So we're in an interesting spot right now. Clearly, momentum's building up. Last week, heading into the new presidency or the new president coming in, this upcoming week, momentum's building up. So I just want to see if it's a sell the news event, if we get kind of baited here, right? Or are we going to get a full-on just eruption and we get all-time highs next week, which could happen, man. I mean, QQQ is what? 14 points away from all-time highs. That's just 3%, guys. That's nothing. We can do that in a day or two easily, And let me know in the comments. I'm curious. Do you guys think it's going to be a fake out, sell the news event on after Monday's inauguration, or are we going to go wild and hit all-time highs? SPY's about what? 1.92% away from all-time high. Not far, but I'm curious to see what you guys think. I feel like we're going to get a breakout. That's what things are pointing to now, but you never know, man. We could get that sell the news event. It's totally in the cards. So let me know in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on the main channel. We're almost at 50,000 subs, guys. And I have a second channel, at Stas Talks Money. It's linked down below in the description box. Make sure to go subscribe. You guys know what I mean, guys. Get on that second channel, almost at 1,000 subs, and snag up your 30 stocks for Moomoo. You guys know the whole spiel. You can get up to 30 stocks, deposit at least $100. You get 5 stocks, deposit at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1%. Guys, it's linked down below, or go to stasurfs.com/Moomoo. With that being said, I'll catch you in the next video.